Kellofaplan has a brand new winter themed box, and I can't wait to share it with you. Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and we have a brand new Kellofaplan box. I love these kind of seasonal boxes. They're not always seasonal, but they kind of come out with the seasons. And this one is a beautiful winter box that is all about goal setting, which is absolutely perfect as we start to look forward to 2025. So in this video, we're going to unbox and check out all of the contents of the new Kellofaplan box. This is going to release on November the 22nd. It releases at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. That's 11 a.m. here on the East Coast. And I do have an affiliate link down below. It helps me out immensely when you're able to shop that link, especially during this holiday season. So thanks in advance for using the link. If you want to see what is in the brand new Kellofaplan box, let's go. All right, I'm not gonna lie, I went ahead and opened the box because the box is a little bit too small for the sticker book that comes in it. So it was being sent separately, but are you so ready? Everything's unpackaged. So I was just saving us time in the end. You can tell by this beautiful box, this color scheme is right up my alley. Beautiful winter floral look. Ta-da! It's full of all these different things. I cannot wait to dig in. I'm going to move the box over. We're going to pull things out one by one. All right. First of all, we have our little drink cozy, which I think is super cute for a water bottle, for a coffee, for an insulated mug, decoration thing. I think that is so fun. It feels good. It feels good. You get the beautiful florals, lovely lifestyle product there included, which I think is a lot of fun. We have a beautiful pen. Let's see, does this one say Kellofaplan? This one does not. So it's a pen, beautiful. I think it's a ballpoint pen. Looks like it has the little cover right there. We will test the pen out in the notebook, but I love the pink to the blue kind of ombre look. Very fancy looking. And I think I really do like the kind of rose gold edging on that. It's just nice to have a beautiful pen. You know what I mean? I just think it's great. Okay. We also have these. These are fantastic. If you haven't tried these yet, these are little page flags. And these are on translucent paper. This is the color scheme that you're going to see in the book. And you just use them to mark pages in your planner. You can use them as little tabs to find your daily page really quickly, for instance, or maybe there's some things you want to reference in a book you're reading or notes you might be taking in your faith studies or in class, whatever the case may be. These are just wonderful, and you can write on top of them. They do have a pretty slick surface, so just make sure you're using an appropriate pen. But love those and loving the color scheme. You guys, these are Kellofaplan highlighters. They have her little icon right there in some beautiful colors. We have 6 highlighters that are gorgeous. I think I want to pull out a piece of paper. I don't want to do it all in the book that's in here. So let me pull out a piece of paper and let's test our highlighters. Okay, let's start here. This is kind of a khaki creamy color. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, the pastels. And I love that they're rectangle shape because they're not going to roll. That's awesome. Loving that. So let's try this one. Okay, that's a little brighter pink than I anticipated based on the outside, but that's why you test colors, you guys. That's how you know the difference. Oh, this pink, this one I'm here for. This one is a little darker, I think, and it's just a little less bright, a little less in your face. Let's try the purple. See how it feels good in your hands. Beautiful for the purple. We have a blue. Oh, that's a dark blue. That's nice. It's a pretty color. And then we have a green. Oh, that's a pretty green. Okay. You know what? I really like all of them. I think my least favorite is that pink because it feels like really bright pink. Everything else feels very muted, like it's going to go with what else we have in here. Here's goals and plans, stickers for your planner. They're going to be awesome. Let's take a look at this first, and then we'll take a look at the stickers. So this comes in, oh my gosh, so this comes in the planner. Beautiful cover with the florals. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Gorgeous, thick cover. I love it. You have the stripes. Stripes and florals are Heather Kell's favorites. Loving this. Okay, let's check out what this is because I believe this is going to be a goal setting tool, but we can explore together. This is your year. You had your name right here. Planning a Life I Love 12-month goals planner. Oh, so it's for all 12 months. Vision board. Is this, let's see, probably for the year. Setting goals. Let's see how this kind of goes together. Yeah. So you have the vision board, different areas of your life, reflection, brainstorm, set 3 to 5 goals, maybe for the entire year. Goal 1, goal 2, goal 3, and then 3 tasks that will help you get to those goals. So it's kind of mapping it out, if you will. Then you come to this sheet. This might be, so what I would do is, if you have big goals that you're trying to accomplish over a whole year, it is really good to break it down and then break it down even further by month. And what you could do is highlight in which goal, like goal 1 is all this pink. And then when I come over here and I write things that are going to be done, I'm going to highlight it with that pink color so that I know what goal it goes with, if that makes sense. So 3 main goals, 3 ways to break it down, and then take those, maybe even break them down even further, and disperse it throughout here. So you're kind of planning for the whole year. Quarterly goals, quarter 1, 2, 3, and 4. Long-term goals, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. Action steps, 5 year, 10 year, 20 years. Those are some big goals. And bucket lists, top 10 things I want to do in life, things I want to see, experience, do, visit. I love how she just has it as a checklist. Like, come on, let's do it. Let's get the thing done. Love that. Okay, we come here. Goals and plans. If the plan does not work, change the plan, but never the goal. Beautiful double-sided dividers, which we have all started to love from Heather Kell. Goal planning. My goal, my why, start date, goal end date, goal milestones, action steps, and a habit tracker for the month. This is your review. Did I reach my goal? What was the result? What went well? How to improve? How can I move forward with this goal? And then some room for extra notes. Okay, so this is breaking down different steps. This would be like in your monthlies is what I would think. I would think you'd be planning, I mean, maybe you're planning the same goal over multiple months, but you might be tracking different action steps each month. Maybe you're making progress towards your goal each month. That's really interesting. So I would probably break these apart and put a few in with each month, or depending on what the goal, if your goal is financially related, you might be putting this in your budget part of your planner. If your goal is fitness related, that you might be including this within your fitness planner. So great. You got a pretty good amount of those. Okay. Monthly goals. A dream written down becomes a goal. A goal broken down into steps becomes a plan. A plan backed by action makes your dreams come true. Beautiful. I love the color scheme. Perfect for winter. All right. Monthly goals. So you can circle your month up here, January through December. Goal 1, goal 2, goal 3, action steps for each one, how'd it go? And then again, we talked about like mapping out how that's going to look. For instance, if you have a goal to get in shape, so you're setting it for January, and you might have a health goal, a family goal, whatever. You might say, hey, on this day, this is when I'm going to look to join a gym. And on these days, this is when I'm going to meal plan for the next week. All of that having to do with your fitness goal. So fun. On the back, it says this month, again, what goals did I achieve this month? Highlights this month, challenges this month, grateful for this month, what went well, what to improve. So some room to kind of break it down, monthly goals, and then you have a bunch of those throughout. Like I said, there's going to be 12. There's enough for the whole year, she said. And then you have weekly goals. So I like how she's broken it down because sometimes you have big overarching goals. Sometimes you have little small ones. Let's see what the weekly goals look like. Weekly goals, again, you kind of pick your date up here, Monday through Sunday over on the left-hand side. Weekly goals, priorities, to-do list, habit trackers that are probably helping you get to those goals, and other notes. And then you have that right on the back. So this is great for kind of breaking it down, and you can rearrange. So say you want to do like mixing and matching of each one, that works just as well. Very interesting, loving, loving, loving. So lots of opportunity here. I like that there's a variety. I don't know that I would use all of these sheets all year long. That might be a lot of writing the same thing over and over, which isn't bad because when it comes to goals and action plans and stuff, the more you're writing it, the more it's ingrained in you. But I might pick and choose different sheets for different goals or different times of the year. So I like that there's the variety in there. So you have the whole goal planner. And then, of course, could it be Heather Kell from Kellofaplan if there wasn't a gorgeous sticker book that perfectly coordinates with what's going on in the planner? So let's jump right in. We have functional stickers. If you have never purchased from Kellofaplan before, these functional stickers are going to be designed perfectly to work within the pages of your planner. So for instance, let's see if we can figure out, some of these will match up perfectly width-wise for some of the different things going on in the planner. For instance, these are probably going to fit right into here. Let's see, these, oh, see, this is going to fit right here. Like, everything is going to start to match up. You'll start to see how these boxes will fit into here. It all works. Heather plans it out so well. So you have some typical functional boxes that we see in our regular planners. Then these are going to be more specialized. We're in the color scheme. What I need to do, what I need to change, how can I do better? Why does this goal matter? Love all the bullet points. That's fabulous. Tons of functional boxes that you can use. Long skinny ones. You have Monday through Sunday right here. It's just awesome. Oh, these are little rectangles, you guys, that match these right here. Those fit perfectly. That's so cute. She thinks of everything. I love it. These are all the functional pieces. Love the hexagons. Very pretty. Beautiful. Like I said, all the functional boxes you need. Because here's the deal with goal planning. I don't do a lot of decorating. I do the functionality. And so this is going to come in very handy. Personal, wellness, social, family, finance, home, work, mindset, life. Lots of bullet points, you guys. Okay. Call a family member. Okay, these are some specific things that maybe these might be rewards. Get a pet, deliver a speech, learn to cook gourmet meals. What a goal. Go scuba diving. These are some great goals. That's cute. Trackers that you can use. Fabulous. Lots of trackers. Some motivational quotes. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Plans are nothing and planning is everything. So true. People with goals succeed because they know where they're going. Love that. And then we get some decorative stickers. These are gorgeous florals. They're like winter roses is what I feel like. So beautiful in different sizes. Again, these are just for fun. I don't use decorative stickers a lot when I'm goal planning, but I think these are fun to use. Loving. Love the edge ones. I continue to say the edge ones are some of my favorites. Makes good use of the sticker page. Beautiful. And all the decorative ones are on clear sticker paper. Those are so pretty, you guys. Does this not get you excited to start planning for 2025? I know I'm a goal person. That's like my love language, is setting goals and working towards them is one of my favorite things. So this is definitely like right up my alley. I think it's a beautiful set. I think everything in here is useful, really useful with the highlighters. Love the page flags. I think this is very thoughtful in the way it's laid out. And of course the stickers matching this. It's all fabulous. So don't forget, this releases November the 22nd. I imagine this one, I think, is probably going to be a pretty popular one because we're all starting to think of goals for 2025. So make sure you're ready. November the 22nd, 10 a.m. Central Standard Time, 11 a.m. Eastern. Once again, I do have that affiliate link down below. Really helps me out so much. So thank you in advance. You can actually click it now. You can save that link as your bookmark, and it'll all work every time you go shop Kellofaplan. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. Huge shout out to my Patreon community. Y'all are just the best. I'm excited about all the things coming up. So if you haven't already, head on over to patreon.com/ScrappyWife to check things out. All right. I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.